When a rubber roller wears out too fast, the first useful clue is usually on the roller surface itself. Look at where the wear appears. Is it mainly in the center, only on one edge across the whole surface, or is the rubber starting to shed small particles after a short running time? These signs usually point to different conditions. If the wear is mainly on one edge, the roller may be running with uneven contact, poor alignment, or too much pressure on that side. You may also see the web edge rubbing the same area again and again. In that case, only changing the rubber material may not fix the wear pattern. If the wear is in the middle, especially on a traction, drive, nip, or pressure roller, check the real contact condition. A roller may look normal on the drawing, but in production it may be working under higher load, higher speed, or more slip than expected. Once the roller surface keeps rubbing against film, paper, non-woven, foil, or coated material, the rubber cover can wear much faster. The second thing to check is whether the roller is working in an abrasive condition. Some lines look clean but the contact is not gentle. Dust, coating residue, powder, fillers, rough web surface, or small hard particles can keep cutting the rubber surface during running. You may not see serious damage on the first day, but after a period of production the surface becomes rough, the diameter changes, or the roller starts losing grip. Load and speed also matter. A rubber roller that works well at lower speed may wear quickly when the line speed increases. A roller that works under light pressure may fail sooner when the nip pressure is higher. This is why two rollers with the same drawing and the same rubber type can perform very differently on different lines. The third point is the rubber material, hardness, and surface finish. 4. Wear resistance. Polyurethane rollers are often used in traction, guide, pressure, and conveying positions, especially where the roller needs good abrasion resistance and roller cover strength. I'll put the related polyurethane roller page in the description. But material alone is not enough. The compound formulation, bonding, curing, grinding, and final surface finish all affect the result. Two rollers may both be called PU or both have the same hardness, but the real service life can still be different. If the rubber is too soft for the load, the surface may deform and wear quickly. If it is too hard for the contact, it may lose stable friction or create marks. If the grinding is too rough, the surface may attack the web or collect residue. If the surface is too smooth for a traction position, the roller may slip, heat up, and wear faster. So when a rubber roller has a short service life, don't judge it only by how many days it ran. Check the wear location, the contact condition, and the actual job of that roller. Is it pulling, pressing, guiding, or supporting? Is the surface touching a clean web, a coated web, powder, adhesive, or a rough material? The old roller can usually tell part of the story. Edge wear, rough surface, shedding rubber, diameter loss, hard spots, or polished areas all give useful clues before making the next roller. If you already have drawings, dimensions, samples, or clear specifications, you can send them to Wolorin directly for custom manufacturing, quotation, or production confirmation. If the problem is still unclear, send the roller position, old roller photos, surface condition, and what you are seeing on the line. We can first look at the roller side and help confirm a better direction.